Today we discuss the topic on introduction of robotics, which includes the applications, analysis, history of the robots. Then first we study what is robot. We know what is robot. Robot is nothing but a machine which resembles a human being and does a mechanical routine task on command. Or in other words, by the definition is given by the Association of America. An industrial robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools, or specialized device through variable program motion for the performance of a variety of tasks. Or in other words, it is also defined as a manipulator or an industrial robot is composed of a series of links connected to each other via joints. Each joint is usually has an actuator or a motor connected to it. Means a robot is a connection of links, many links which are connected to joints. These are the actuators are used to cause relative motion between the successive links. One end of the manipulator is usually connected to a stable base and other end is connected or is used to deploy a tool. Means the other is which is connected to the various kind of tools for performing the various activities such as machining to the move material from one place to another. Then there are different classification of the robots, which was given by the Japanese Industrial Robot Association. They have given the classification of the robot. According to this, they are classified as the manual handling device. Then fixed sequence robot, variable sequence robot, playback robot, numerical control robot, and intelligent robot. These are the classification of the robot according to Japanese Industrial Robot Association. Then, according to the Robotics Institution of America, they have given the classification of robots such as variable sequence robot, playback robot, numerical control robot, and intelligent robot. Also, there are another association is Franchise and D Robotica. This is another institution in short form AFR. They have also given the classification of robotics, manual handling device or Taylor robotics. Another one, automatic handling devices or predetermined cycles. Then programmable or servo control robot, continuous point to point trajectories. Then same type we see, but it can acquire information. In chapter 1, we study the robots in the world. There are different lots of application in different various industrial application, in medical application. According to this, let's see here, this is one of the most useful application for the robotics, painting robot in motor company. These robots are used for painting the body of the vehicles. Let's see here another video is there, assembly of robots in electronic company. These robots are used for assembly purposes. Then wearable robotic arm. Let's see here, this is the wearable robotic arm. This can be used for various purposes. Then teleoperated or teleoperated robots. This is the another application here, Honda bike robot. This is the robot here, and this is the bike robot, a laptop size robot. Please here. Some robotic application by Sony AIBO. Toy robots they have manufactured the toy robots for the It's then what is robotics? Robotics Robotics is the art, knowledge based, and know-how of designing, applying, and use of robots in human endeavors. By using your knowledge, you can design a robot for various human performing various human activities. Robot is an interdisciplinary subject that benefits from mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, computer science, biology, and many other disciplines. It is an interdisciplinary subject. The history of robots. First, in 1932, the first Karl Chekhov novel. First, there was the first word they used robota. The word first come. They have used the word robota, means worker, in Razon Universal Robot. Then 1952, NC machines in MIT. In 1955, Devin Hartenberg homogeneous transformation is there. In 1967, Mark II animation, they are created robot. In 1968, Shaki's intelligent robot is there. In 1973, T3 robot is manufactured. 1978, Puma animations robots are manufactured. 1983, robot courses are there. In 21st century, walking robots, mobile robots, and humanoid robots are being manufactured for various applications. Then let's see what are the applications and disadvantages of the robots. Robot increases the productivity, safety, efficiency, and quality and consistency of the product. Robot can work in hazardous environment without the need. Robot need no environmental comfort. Robot work continuously without experiencing fatigue or problem. Robot have repeatable precision at all time. Robot can be much more accurate than the humans. Robot replaces human workers, creating economic problems. Robot can process multiple stimuli or tasks simultaneously. Robot, then what are the disadvantages of the robots? Robot lack the capability to respond in emergency. Robot, although the superior in circumstances, have limited capabilities in degree of freedom. Dexterity, sensors, vision system, and real-time response. Robots are costly due to initial cost of the equipment, installation costs, need for peripherals, need for training, need for the programming. What are the parts of the robot? Let's see what are the parts. First one is manipulator, then headster, controller, end effector, and power source. These are the 5 main parts of the robot.